Welcome to our channel, where we'll guide you on how to use various gym equipment effectively and safely. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, understanding the proper techniques will help you make the most of your workouts. Let's dive into this comprehensive guide on how to use gym equipment. Section 1, Cardio Machines. 1. Treadmill. Adjust speed and incline gradually. Maintain an upright posture and avoid leaning on the side rails. Start with a warm-up walk before increasing intensity. 2. Elliptical trainer. Stand upright with good posture and engage your core. Use smooth and controlled motions. Adjust resistance levels to challenge yourself. 3. Stationary bike. Adjust the seat height for proper leg extension. Maintain proper posture and vary resistance levels or speed. Section 2, Weight Machines. 1. Adjusting the equipment. Set the seat and backrest to match your body position. Start with a light warm-up set to get familiar with the machine. 2. Proper form and movement. Follow the instructions or diagrams provided on the machine. Control the weight, focusing on the targeted muscle group. Breathe steadily and avoid using momentum. Section 3, Free Weights. 1. Dumbbells. Choose an appropriate weight and maintain proper form. Engage your core and use controlled movements. 2. Barbells. Secure weights with collars and start with light weights for practice. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout each exercise. 3. Resistance bands. Securely anchor the band and choose the appropriate tension. Maintain control and follow proper form for each exercise. Section 4, Functional Training Equipment. 1. Medicine balls. Use proper grip and engage your core during exercises. Perform throws, slams, or twists with controlled movements. 2. Kettlebells. Practice proper grip and form for exercises like swings or snatches. Perform exercises such as Turkish get-ups with focus and stability. 3. TRX Suspension Trainer. Adjust the strap's length as needed. Engage various muscle groups with body weight exercises. Conclusion: congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to effectively and safely use a variety of gym equipment. Remember, it's crucial to start with lighter weights, focus on proper form, and gradually increase intensity. If you're unsure about any equipment or exercise, seek guidance from a fitness professional or trainer. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and enjoy your fitness journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.